We're at an abandoned hotel, guys. Dang. There's literally nothing out here, bro. What's over there? It's a door open over there. Dang, this hotel looks like it's been here for a while. Oh, that's a window. Window up here. Like somebody sneaking inside there. Yeah, windows down. Dang, we should go inside. Yeah, somebody definitely sleeping in there. Oh, the window's open over here too. It's really nothing. I don't want to pop my wheel, bro. Crazy, bro. That's crazy as heck. Somebody definitely sleeping in there. Walgreens and West Fargo right beside each other. That's crazy. Oh, where I'm going, y'all. Whoa. Bro, y'all see that? Bro, the abandoned house over there. Hold on, bro. We gotta go check this out. Gotta go check this out. I don't think no cars coming. Definitely gotta go check this out, bro. This is crazy. Bro, it look like a hunting place. I thought the doors was open. Holy shit, bro. Bro, that's crazy, bro. Look like a hunting place. This glass all around here. I can't even go around here because my wheel didn't come yet. So I gotta be careful. And I'm far away from home. I'm not even about to. Yeah. Hold on. But I do want to see something. I'm gonna park the bike right here. Oh, this crap is crazy, bro. Holy shit. Bro, it's crazy over here. I'm not even gonna lie. They got a bed. Dang. What's the freak is that up there? What is that? Dead bird over there. Oh, bro, it's a dead bird. Bro. What's in there, bro? Bro, what is that? Oh, that's a Fort Mill. Bro. Bro. That is crazy, bro. This place been here for a while. You could definitely tell. Like and subscribe. And I'll definitely go in there and check what's out. Bro. Definitely. It's weird over here. You see? There's no trespassing. Can't even go inside. Yeah, I definitely climbed through the window. Like, subscribe. That's crazy over there. Definitely tell, let me fix my camera. You can definitely tell that place been there for a while. It looked like it used to be like a little warehouse. Something like that. I can't even go that fast because I don't want to mess up my wheel even more. And my brakes acting dumb. So once my wheel get here, I'm going to fix my brakes. Oh, I think I went the wrong way. Oh yeah, I definitely went the wrong way, bro. Yeah. These apartments. Oh shit. Yeah, I definitely went the wrong way. I don't know where I went at. I am gonna go Daltrey over there and give me something to drink. I'm thirsty. Spot. Man, I'm thirsty. Oh, never mind. I'm going to Aldi's. Aldi's got cheaper drinks, bro. Got hella cheaper drinks. I should have went in there. Dang, that's a big iguana, bro. Hey, nowhere I can park my bike though. It's so hot today, bro. What's up, man? I don't understand what he just said, bro. It's so freaking hot. This lady see me. Did she see me? No. I think she did. Excuse me. Excuse me. Look at this sick car. I know I'm not supposed to go in here, but look. There's some sick cars, bro. That's a nice car, bro. Dang. That's nice as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Dang. That's it, bro. So no, oh, dang, look at that car back there. Look at this car. Now that's a sick car, bro. Oh, bro, he scared me. Dang. Dang, bro. That's crazy. Dang, they're nice, I ain't gonna lie. You got a bug on your shirt. Everybody got them little dogs. Yeah. My Croc. Yeah, bro, I broke my brake, so I gotta fix it. And I just did with my Crocs. Wow, doing that.